Hi friends, welcome to Mohan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to design brochure template in PowerPoint. Our brochure going to be like this. On click, you will get a model number, then display picture and the specification of the notebooks, and last it will reveal the pricing. Like this, I have made two more templates. And also one more design. With the different animations. Let's learn how do we going to create this in PowerPoint. Let's open a new slide. Go to insert shapes. Let's take a rectangle and just draw on the full shape of this slide. Go to shape fill, shape outline, no outline, and again we'll go to insert shapes, again same rectangle, and we'll draw a small rectangle in the center to align. Just click both the shapes, go to align center. Now we have to click both the shapes and go to merge shapes and select the option called fragment. This will fragment the picture into 3 shapes. You can see we'll edit this. You can see there are 3 shapes on there. Now we have to give a colors for. We'll go to shape, format shape, go to fill, we'll take a color, we'll choose this blue color, and this one we'll choose little bit lighter blue, maybe this blue color. Next, and the center we'll select and we'll give a white color. So we got the basic shape. Now let's insert a shape to place the picture of the for using in the brochure. Just go to shapes. Let's take a rounded corner rectangle and we'll paste it in the center of the box. And right click, format shape. We'll go to picture or text and we'll insert the picture which I already downloaded. I'll download this picture. I'll just insert. So we have just inserted here. This same picture can be replaced for the future use. We'll remove the corner outline. We'll give a no outline. We'll insert a text box. Model number. For model number, we'll put it here. Little bit bigger font we can give. Maybe I am using Britannica bold, this font, and we'll increase. Model number, I'm just putting XXX. You can put as per your requirement. And similarly, we'll put a pricing of the product. Pricing. I'm also putting any price you wanted to mention. Let's change the color for both the text box to white color. So currently our design will be like this. Now we'll insert the one more shape for displaying the specifications. Go to insert shapes. Let's take under back block arrows this shape called pentagon, arrow pentagon. We'll click on this and we'll paste it like this. Maybe we'll give a size of height 2 centimeter and Control D is for duplicate, and we'll just paste it below, and Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. It will duplicate and it will align automatically. We wanted 8 shapes, so we have just selected 8. To ensure these are aligned exact spacing, we have to select all these shapes. Go to format shapes, format shape, align, distribute vertically. So this will ensure it's a spacing between each shapes is equal. Then we have to give the color little bit same. Go to we'll select this color. Earlier we'll select it first this one, and now we'll select this shape, and we have to make no outline. So now our design is ready. We have to insert the specification of the product. To reduce the time, I'm just copying and pasting each of the thing from others which I created. By copying from the previously I created, and pasted. Now we'll increase the size of the font maybe to 32, and we'll make a center, or we can put a left alignment also. This is a left alignment. Now we have already finished our design portion. We'll just give an animation. We'll go to animation, add animation, and just put it add animation. First we'll display animation, this one. This will zoom in. We'll use the option called zoom in. This will give the model number zoom in. This one will use the wipe animation. It's a wipe animation which will come from left. Pricing will give a last. This one also we will give a wipe animation which will come from left. It's one more technique is there to copy all the same animation. We have option called under the animation pane. There is animation painter. You just click and it will copy the previous animation what is there, and if you double click, you can use it for same animation to all the shapes. Now we will give a last one. This one will give a new animation. I have a more entrance section. We'll select something like boomerang. Okay, let's see. First displays model number, then picture and model descriptions. And finally it will reveal the price of the product. Like this we can create our own designs, which I shown you like this. We can create our own designs for different models. This week we have learned how to create a brochure templates in PowerPoint. Thank you friends. Let's learn new tutorial on new topics next week. Bye.